Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets. I am Akanksha and in this video I will solve the numericals related to the quantum numbers. This topic is from Structure of Atom class 11 and as I promised I will solve in front of you and give the tips and tricks how to solve it easily. So let's check the question number 1. The question is saying using SPD notations describe the orbital with the following quantum numbers. So the first part is n is equal to 1, L is equal to 0. So n, what n denotes for? Principal quantum number, and L belongs to azimuthal quantum number. But we learned one more thing is if L is equal to 0, it means it is s orbital. If it is 1, it will be p orbital. If it is 2, it should be d orbital, and so on. So we will use this thing to solve our question. So n is equal to 1 means shell number 1, or L is equal to 0, it means the orbital is s. So we can write 1s. Very easy to write the answer here. Let's check the second. N is equal to 3, L is equal to 1. N is equal to 3 means third shell, and L is equal to 1 means p orbital. So the answer is 3p. Next question. N is equal to 4 means fourth shell. L is equal to 2 means d orbital, 4d. Next is N is equal to 4 means fourth shell, and L is equal to 3. What should be L is equal to 3? 3 should be F. So it is L is 3 means 4F orbital. This is the solution of our question. Hope you guys understand. It is very easy to do. Just remember this portion. This will help always to solve the questions. The question is, how many electrons in an atom may have the following quantum numbers? So first part is n is equal to 4, ms is equal to minus 1 by 2. So for solving this question, we need to write the values of all the three quantum numbers. Let's check. If n is equal to 4, what is the possible values of L? L should be, I will show you, we learned that 0 to n minus 1. Here n is 4 means 4 minus 1, it should be 3. So we will write from 0 to 3. 0, then 1, then you can write 2, and then write 3. Why I am writing far away? It will be explained in next step. Now we will write magnetic quantum number. For 0 it should be 0. For 1 it should be minus 1, 0 and plus 1. For 2 it will be, I will write it below, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. This also I will tell you. The possible values of m should be minus L to plus L. Same I am doing for L is equal to 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. In the same way we will write for 3 it will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, then 0, then plus 1, plus 2 and plus 3. Now they are asking how many electrons with half minus. So first we will make the electrons. In 0 it will be only 2 electrons. One is positive spin, one is negative spin. In here it will be 3 electrons. Sorry, not 3 orbitals having 6 electrons. See, like this. In this, we will draw 5 orbitals. -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. Each orbital having 2 electrons with opposite spin. In this, we have -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2 and +3. 7 orbitals. So how many electrons? 14 electrons. In this 14 electrons, 7 will be +1/2 and 7 will be -1/2. Okay. So they are asking how many with -12. So each orbital has one electron with minus spin. So we can write it here 1 electron, here 1 from here, need not to write. We just count it. 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer will be, we have 16 electrons with the condition n is equal to 4 and ms is equal to -1/2. The answer is 16 electrons. The second part of this question is same if n is equal to 3 and L is equal to 0. So n is equal to 3. So what is the possible values of L? L should be 0, then 1 and 2 because it ranges from 0, 2 and -1. We are putting this formula. So 0 to 3 minus 1 means 2. 0 to 2 will go. Now they are telling L is equal to 0. How many electrons? L is equal to 0 means what is the ml for this? Again 0. And what is ms for this? 0 means only 1 orbital and having 2 electrons. Then how many electrons? So we can write answer 2 electrons in n is equal to 3 and L is equal to 0. If n 3 है और L 0, if n is equal to 3, L is equal to 0, the number of electrons will be 2 only. Very easy to solve this question. One more question we are going to solve is an electron is in one of the 3D orbital. See, they are giving the value 3D orbital. Give the possible values of N, L and Ml for this electron. So first of all, I will tell you 3 is showing the value of N, principal quantum number, and D is showing azimuthal quantum number. So we knew that 0 means S, 1 means P, 2 means D and 3 means F. So if it is given D, so we can write L is equal to 2. So let's write for N is equal to 3 and L is equal to 2 as given. What should be the next values? ML values for L is equal to 2. We will write -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. Simply. These are the possible values of N, L and ML. This is the answer of the given question. So it is not taking so much time to solve these questions. So go through these questions and take more and more examples to solve. If you have any doubt, you can post your question to me and I will try to solve in the very simple way and explain it to you. Thank you.